Here's a new Schindler EST MRL Traction list at Westfield, Gravatt. Ew, gross. Oh, it's got loud buttons too. That's nice. Ew, someone left rubbish in here. That's gross. It's really cat-y. It's so new that hasn't put any capacity yet. That's nice. Last time I was here, this was in the process of being replaced. Are you going down? Are you going down?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Oh, it really works, right?
I didn't notice that.
Thanks. Have a nice day. Blue Dewhurst US95-AB. No voice. Going down?
Thank you.
I really don't like those beeps.
They're really, really loud, eh?
Yeah.